Hi, if hot air is escaping from your oven door, or the oven door is simply not closing fully, then it's likely that the door hinges need replacing. I'm going to demonstrate how to do that on this Indesit oven, but the procedure will be very similar no matter what make or model you've got. Now, safety first. Always remember to isolate your appliance from the mains before carrying out any repairs. First thing we need to do, we need to remove the door. Now to do this, we need to open up the two clips that are on each hinge. Now when you close the door, the hinges and the door will come away from the oven body. Make sure that you're holding it firmly. Now we need to remove the two screws at the top that are holding the inner door to the outer door. Next, there are 4 screws, 2 down by each hinge that again is holding the outer door to the inner door. These now need removing. With these 4 screws removed, the inner door will now separate from the outer door, and the 2 hinges just now to be removed by unscrewing the 2 screws that are holding them in place. And now the hinges can be removed. And they can be replaced. So there you go, how to replace the door hinges on your oven. Remember, you can buy door hinges and all cooker spares online at ransomspares.co.uk. Thanks for watching.